What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to sell Ethereum on Ledger. So you might be wondering, how to exactly sell Ethereum on Ledger here? Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and open up your account here. And you want to go to the left panel here and you want to look for a $sign icon. Now, in this case, that's where you can sell and buy your Ethereum. Now, to the left side, again, you want to go and just select this one. And on the next page, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and change a few things here. So first, at the very top, instead of the buy section, you want to go ahead and click on the sell option that you see here. Go ahead and select that. Now, from then on, you can go ahead and set the crypto that you may want to set, basically sell here. So at the top left, you can go ahead and just click on it. And once you click on it, you should be able to choose your asset. Now, you want to go and choose Ethereum. Now, once you've selected Ethereum here, you can go ahead and click on the set an amount, or in this case, you can go and click on the sell option here. Now, you can only sell Ethereum here if you have enough funds or enough of it in your account. But if you are able to sell one, you can go and just click on the sell button that you should be seeing around this area here. Confirm a few things, and you should be good. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.